Breaking news, people. Kampala, Uganda faces a growing crisis, the surge in catalytic converter theft. Catalytic converters are those hidden heroes that break down harmful gases and emissions and have become the target of brazen criminals, and here is why. It's all about the precious metals inside. The demand for catalytic converters has skyrocketed, driving up the prices of the precious metals used in their production. Scrap dealers are collecting used converters to sell to recycling plants where the metals like platinum are extracted and refined. Just 1 gram of platinum, for example, can fetch around $29 US. That's about 95,000 Uganda shillings. Each stolen converter can yield between 3 to 7 grams of the precious metals. With such lucrative gains at stake, thieves strike swiftly. 2 burglars in a getaway car can jack up your vehicle, pry away the converter using welding or cutting tools, and drive off within minutes. They target poorly regulated car storage facilities, parking lots, washing bays, and repair garages. Importing cars with missing catalytic converters is another issue. However, computer diagnostic checks and inspections can easily detect this problem. Experts recommend replacing the entire exhaust pipe, including the catalytic converter, to restore the car's emission control system. Prices for a new exhaust pipe range from 7 to 9 million shillings, while a used one can be imported for around 2 million shillings. As the theft of catalytic converters continues to plague Kampala, Uganda, it's crucial for authorities and car owners to stay vigilant. Increased security measures, better regulation, and public awareness campaigns are vital in combating this illicit trade. Let's protect our vehicles and our environment from this growing menace.